Welcome to my vlog. Oh. We're going to the beach. We're going to the beach.
We're going to the
My
beach.
thing, Jared. Welcome to my place.
Dude, this is my family. That's me when I was a kid. This is me in the future when I grow up.
Then we have Josh's room. Are you happy to be at the beach?
Yeah.
Do you like all your streaks?
No. That's me when I was a baby, and that's also me when I was a baby.
They photoshopped that real nice. Now we're going up another flight of stairs. We got a kitchen up here. We got a pool table. Got a jukebox. You think there's any Lil Uzi Vert on here? What is this? No peeing off the porch. Wait, Jared, wait. No, Jared. You're in the wrong place for this.
Ah, you jokester.
And let's go up the upstairs. Jared, don't go in there. You're not allowed in here. Jared, no! Jared, the bed's gonna stink now. I'm a little nervous about going to the beach. No, I always feel like I get lost easy.
It's okay, buddy. We'll wear your leash.
You don't think I'm gonna get lost?
No, you're not gonna get lost.
Okay, cool. Mom? Oh, hey. I couldn't find you.
I'm here.
Hey Josh, I got a book for you, man. I think you might enjoy it. It's called Lessons on the Thrusts. It's all just sword fighting. I think I got the wrong book. Josh, I think I got the wrong book. Different kind of thrust. Okay, so the shower rules are fairly clear, right? I paid my $1 to shower, but look at this nonsense. Take my shower. Look who didn't pay his $2. Where's your $2? You cheated. Jared is always on this workflow. How long have you been editing this?
6.5 hours of editing.
Have you left this bed? Alright, Jared's editing. Josh and I are about to play pool. Josh, I bet you a milkshake from Ocean City that I beat you in pool right now.
You're on.
Ah! And now Josh is down to the 8-ball.
No.
Oh, crash! That's a milkshake! Oh wait, hold on.
Oh, Jake, are you okay?
Jacob?
Large chocolate milkshake.
What's up, guys? Today we are gonna go on a boat out in the ocean and we're gonna be dragged around in a raft. Let's hope that Jared doesn't fall off here.
We survived the banana boat.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again because a vision softly creeping.
Thanks for watching, guys. That was my first vlog ever. Comment down below what you liked, what you didn't like. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at JAMickeyD. Alright guys, take care and I'll see you next Friday.